Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos, helping you learn English fast. This morning I was teaching online and one of my students turned up in our Zoom meeting room a few minutes late, and she seemed rather stressed about the fact she was late for her first lesson. In order to try and calm her down and persuade her that nothing very important had been going on so far, I said to her, "Don't worry, you haven't missed much." In other words, from the time we started the lesson to the time she arrived, nothing very interesting had happened. We often use versions of this expression, not miss much, with different tenses. So you might say, "Oh, I'm really sorry I missed your party on Saturday. I wanted to come, but I just couldn't make it in the end." "Ah, don't worry, you didn't miss much. Nothing very interesting happened." In another class I was teaching last week, one student was talking about her love of Vienna. A second student was saying she didn't like Vienna very much. And a third student said, "I've never been." The second student immediately said, "Don't worry, you're not missing much." In other words, it's not that great. It's not really worth visiting. If you've enjoyed this video, click the like button, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel. In the comment section below, we'd love to hear examples of when you might use not miss much in different contexts.